Welcome to This Old Geek. Today we're going to put together an arcade 1-up Asteroids arcade and relive the glory days. I was fortunate to have my grandson with me when I decided to put together the arcade 1-up machine. So let's let the magic of time-lapse video show you how we got it done. And not a single tool was injured or thrown during this whole process. Wrapping up with the 1-up arcade machine, it really was a lot of fun to not only put together, but especially to play. It was pretty true to the experience that I remember in the 70s when I first played Asteroids and spent a lot of quarters playing that game. So I can definitely recommend it. They do have a lot of other versions out there: Pac-Man, Galaga, NBA, even a Star Wars machine. I would say, though, I would watch for sales. These typically start at $2.99 and above, and Walmart usually has these on sale a lot. As a matter of fact, the Asteroids arcade that I picked up was $99. What you need to do is really use the Walmart app and kind of monitor for when they go on sale. And you can also use a website called brickseek.com, which also monitors these sales quite a bit as well. It is a lot of fun to play. It's nice that it has 4 games. In this case, it's got Asteroids, Missile Command, Lunar Lander, and Tempest. I would say Tempest and Asteroids were my favorites. and the Asteroids plays just like I remember. So I would go ahead and pick one of these up when you get a chance and start your retro arcade.